Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a video in Messenger exceeding 25 megabytes. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You should know that it's not possible to send that large file directly from Messenger. You're gonna need help from another app called Drive. Open the Drive app, and on the screen you can see two options, plus sign and scan. Tap on that plus sign, select upload file, then from photos and videos select the video that you want to send, then upload it. Now once you upload it, right beside that file you can see a three-dot menu. Select that, scroll down and tap on copy link. Once you do that, go back to Messenger and open the conversation where you want to send the video to. Now paste that link you just copied and send it. And guys, that's it. That's how you send a video in Messenger exceeding 25 megabytes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.